If you're always exhausted, these hidden reasons may shock you. Feeling tired all the time? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with fatigue, and it can really put a damper on living your best life. We see it every day. People dragging themselves through their day, relying on endless cups of coffee just to function. But here's the thing. Constant tiredness isn't normal. It's often a sign that something else is going on beneath the surface. In this video, we're diving deep into the surprising reasons you might be feeling wiped out and, more importantly, what you can do about it. Get ready to reclaim your energy and finally feel like yourself again. Let's talk about what you're putting into your body. You know the saying, "You are what you eat"? Well, it's true. A diet packed with processed foods, sugary snacks, and unhealthy fats can send your energy levels plummeting. These foods are often low in essential nutrients your body needs to thrive, leaving you feeling sluggish and drained. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in your car and expect it to run smoothly, right? Your body is the same way. It needs high-quality fuel from nutrient-rich foods to function at its best. So, what should you be eating? Focus on incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are like rocket fuel for your body, providing sustained energy throughout the day. And don't forget about healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are essential for energy production and overall well-being. By making simple swaps and prioritizing nutrient-dense foods, you'll be amazed at how much more energized you feel. Next up, let's talk about something so simple, yet so often overlooked: hydration. It's one of those things that we all know is important, but we often forget just how crucial it is for our daily functioning and overall well-being. You've probably heard it a million times, but drinking enough water is crucial for your overall health, and that includes your energy levels. Water is the foundation of life, and it plays a vital role in almost every bodily function. From regulating your body temperature to aiding digestion, water is indispensable. When you're dehydrated, even mildly, your body has to work harder to function, leading to fatigue and low energy. Imagine trying to run a marathon without proper training. That's what your body feels like when it's dehydrated. Your muscles get tired more quickly, and your brain doesn't function as efficiently. Think of it like this. Water is like the oil in your car's engine. Without enough oil, the engine can't run smoothly, and eventually, it will overheat and break down. Similarly, without enough water, your body can't perform at its best. Your organs and systems start to struggle, and you feel the effects in the form of tiredness and lethargy. The same goes for your body. Water helps transport nutrients, oxygen, and other essential substances throughout your body, keeping everything running smoothly. It acts as a medium for various chemical reactions that are essential for life. Without adequate hydration, these processes slow down, and your body can't function optimally. When you're dehydrated, these processes become less efficient, leading to fatigue. You might find it harder to concentrate, and your physical performance can suffer. Even mild dehydration can have a noticeable impact on your mood and energy levels. So, how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about maintaining a steady supply of hydration to keep your body functioning at its best. And don't wait until you're thirsty. By that point, you're already dehydrated. Thirst is a late indicator of dehydration, so it's important to drink water regularly throughout the day. Keep a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly. This simple habit can make a big difference in how you feel and perform daily tasks. Plus, it's an environmentally friendly choice. Your body will thank you. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your energy levels and improve your overall health, so make it a priority and enjoy the benefits of a well-hydrated body. Now let's talk about sleep. Sleep is one of the most fundamental aspects of our health and well-being, yet it's often overlooked in our busy lives. You know that getting enough sleep is important, but did you know that the quality of your sleep is just as crucial as the quantity? It's not just about the number of hours you spend in bed, it's about how restful and uninterrupted those hours are. It's not just about logging in 8 hours, it's about making those 8 hours count. Quality sleep means going through multiple sleep cycles, including deep sleep and REM sleep, which are essential for cognitive function and physical health. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, restoring and rejuvenating itself for the day ahead. This is when muscle growth, tissue repair, and protein synthesis occur, along with the release of growth hormones. But if your sleep is constantly interrupted, or if you're not reaching deep, restful sleep, your body doesn't have enough time to complete these essential processes. This can lead to a host of problems, including weakened immunity, weight gain, and even increased risk of chronic diseases. This can leave you feeling groggy, irritable, and, you guessed it, exhausted. Lack of quality sleep can also affect your mood, memory, and decision-making abilities, making it harder to function effectively throughout the day. So, how can you improve your sleep quality? The good news is, there are several strategies you can implement to enhance your sleep experience. Start by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. This helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or engaging in other calming activities that help you relax, or listening to calming music. Some people find that white noise machines or nature sounds can also be very effective in creating a peaceful environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. The ideal sleep environment is one that is free from distractions and conducive to rest, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Your sleep surface plays a significant role in how well you sleep, so choose bedding that supports your body and helps you stay comfortable throughout the night. And most importantly, try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock. This will help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, promoting better sleep quality overall. By prioritizing both the quantity and quality of your sleep, you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Chapter 4. Stress, the silent energy thief. Let's talk about stress. We all experience stress from time to time, whether it's from work, personal relationships, or unexpected life events. But did you know that chronic stress can wreak havoc on your energy levels? It's not just a mental burden, it has physical consequences too. When you're constantly stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, a survival mechanism that dates back to our earliest ancestors. This response releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which prepare your body to either confront or flee from danger. While these hormones are helpful in short bursts, giving you the energy to tackle immediate challenges, prolonged exposure can lead to fatigue, burnout, and a weakened immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Over time, this constant state of alertness can cause headaches, digestive issues, and even cardiovascular problems. Think of it like this. Stress is like a battery drain on your phone. The more stress you have, the faster your battery drains. The more stress you have, the faster your battery drains, leaving you feeling depleted and exhausted. This depletion affects not just your physical energy but also your mental and emotional well-being, leaving you feeling depleted and exhausted, unable to focus or enjoy the activities you once loved. So what can you do to manage stress? The good news is there are plenty of effective strategies. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as exercise, stretching, or other mindful relaxation techniques. These activities can help center your mind and body, providing a much-needed break from the chaos. Or spending time in nature. A walk in the park or a hike in the woods can do wonders for your mental health. These activities help to calm your nervous system, reduce stress hormones, and boost your overall well-being, making you feel more energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Sometimes just talking about your stress can make a world of difference. Whether it's from a friend, a family member, or a professional family member, therapist, or coach, reaching out can provide you with the support you need. Talking about your stress can make a world of difference. Remember, you don't have to go through it alone. Chapter 5. Break free from fatigue, the power of movement. Now, let's talk about movement. You might think that exercising when you're already tired is counterintuitive, but trust me on this one. Regular physical activity can actually boost your energy levels, improve your sleep, and reduce stress. When you engage in physical activity, your body releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. Exercise also helps to improve your cardiovascular health, strengthen your muscles, and increase your energy production. Think of it like this. Exercise is like jump-starting your car battery. It gives you that initial boost of energy to get going, and over time, it helps to keep your battery charged and running smoothly. You don't have to become a marathon runner overnight. Start small by incorporating short bursts of activity into your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a walk during your lunch break, or put on some music and dance around your living room. Every little bit counts. Chapter 6. When to see a doctor. Unmasking underlying medical conditions. Finally, it's important to remember that persistent fatigue can sometimes be a sign of an underlying medical condition. If you've made lifestyle changes and you're still struggling with exhaustion, it's essential to consult with your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Conditions like anemia, thyroid disorders, sleep apnea, and depression can all contribute to fatigue. Your doctor can run tests to determine if there's an underlying medical reason for your fatigue and recommend the appropriate treatment. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Don't ignore persistent fatigue. By addressing the root cause of your exhaustion, you can reclaim your energy, improve your overall well-being, and live your life to the fullest. Outro: reclaim your energy, reclaim your life. So there you have it, guys. We've uncovered some of the hidden culprits behind your constant tiredness. Remember, feeling exhausted isn't something you just have to accept. You have the power to make changes and boost your energy levels naturally. Start by incorporating the tips we've discussed today and see what a difference they can make. And as always, if you're concerned about your health or if your fatigue is persistent, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. Take care of yourselves, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more health and wellness tips.